Hello from Seoul. What if I told you the easiest, most mind-blowing noodle dish takes literally under 15 minutes? Welcome to your new obsession. Today, we're gonna be making ground beef bulgogi spaghetti, one of the greatest weeknight dinner options of all time. This dish brings iconic Korean flavors and pairs perfectly with pasta noodles. What? You think it sounds complicated? Don't worry about it. As always, with me, it's gonna be super simple and easy, so please give it a shot. If you do, I'm sure you'll become a regular in your dinner rotation. For this, you will need some ground beef, garlic, green onions, and spaghetti noodles. That's it. Super simple, right? But if you wanna take this dish to the next level, then just grab some unsalted butter and Parmigiano Reggiano cheese. Trust me, these bad boys will elevate the flavor, and you will probably wanna open your own restaurant with this. Alright, let's marinate the beef first. To a mixing bowl, add 300 grams of ground beef, 2 tablespoons of soy sauce, 2 tablespoons of oyster sauce, 1 tablespoon of sugar, 2 tablespoons of mirin, a few shakes of black pepper, 1 teaspoon of toasted sesame oil, and give it a good mix. That's it, couldn't be any easier, right? By the way, we have all the instructions and a list of ingredients on our blog, aaronandclaire.com, so please visit here if you need a written recipe. This time, let's prep the veggies. First, smash 5 cloves of garlic and finely chop them. Today, we're gonna add the garlic directly into the marinated beef. So to get the flavor into the meat as fast as possible, make sure to chop it as fine as you can. Next, take 3 green onions and thinly slice them. Just like the garlic, we're gonna add the white parts directly into the marinated beef. And the green parts, as always, we're gonna use them as a garnish. So go ahead and set those aside in a small bowl like this. Once that's done, add the garlic, white parts of the green onions to the marinated beef, and then give it another quick massage so those aromatics can really soak in. Nothing complicated, right? Alright, we're set. Let's get cooking. Fill your pot with enough water and bring it to a boil. Once it comes to a boil, add 2 servings of spaghetti noodles and cook until al dente. And no need to season the water with salt, because our lovely marinated beef will perfectly flavor the noodles later in the pan. Alright, while that's going, let's cook our ground beef bulgogi. Get yourself a large pan, add 2 tablespoons of oil, and heat it over medium-high heat. Once it gets nice and hot, add our beef and spread it out. And then let it sear for about 2 minutes or until the bottom turns golden brown. You know what? Because of the marinade, it can burn quite easily, so you don't necessarily have to sear it on high heat from the start. Starting at lower temperature and taking your time to render out the fat is also a great way to do it. So just go for the method that fits your style. Trust me, whatever you do, you will taste amazing. Once the bottom is nicely browned, flip, break up the beef, and stir fry for about 4 to 5 minutes. Here, to get the ultimate umami flavor, we're gonna get some caramelization, so make sure you evaporate the liquid as much as possible and get it nicely caramelized. What? You wanna know this kind of tip more and more? I'm so glad you brought that up, because everything you need is in these 2 books. Trust me, with these bad boys, Simply Korean and Beyond Korean, you can cook 200 East Asian dishes like Korean, Chinese, Japanese, and even Korean fusion dishes like a pro. So don't forget to check them out. The link is in the description. When the bulgogi is cooked through, add 1 tablespoon of unsalted butter and stir everything together until it's completely melted. And then to that, pour in half a cup of pasta water, scrape the bottom of the pan to get all the flavor, and let it simmer for about 1 minute. When the meat sauce starts bubbling, add your spaghetti noodles, half a cup of Parmigiano Reggiano, and stir everything together for about 2 minutes or until the noodles are perfectly coated with our beautiful bulgogi sauce. That's it! So simple, right? Personally, I like it a bit more creamy and moist, so I'm gonna add about a quarter cup of pasta water more, but it's totally up to you. Alright, looks like it's done. Let's transfer the noodles to a serving plate and pour the remaining meat sauce from the pan. Last but not least, finish it off with some green onions on top. What? You feel like you need some greens? Then go ahead and add some microgreens or salad mix. And for the final touch, top it up with some freshly grated Parmigiano Reggiano. And there you have it, ground beef bulgogi noodles. You wanna know how it tastes? Alright, let's go to our taste tester. Claire?
Woo! Ground beef 불고기 noodles. 윙나잇 디너에 이 불고기 누들이 빠져선 절대 안 되지. 너무 맛있잖아. 먹어보지 않아도 이미 아는 맛이지만 촬영한다고 더 신경 썼겠지. 위에 치즈까지 올려져 있으니까 뭔가 고급스러움이 느껴지네요. 한번 섞어볼까요? 우후! 오케이. 형이 맛있어 보이지? 맛있겠다. 잘 먹겠습니다. Cheers! 맛있다. 역시 실패가 없는 맛. 언제 먹어도 맛있군. 일단 정말 그 불고기 특유의 약간의 그 달콤하고 짠맛이 샥 느껴지는 게 너무 맛있어. 그냥 불고기 자체가 원래 맛있잖아. 그러니까 이걸로 만든 누들인데 응? 안 맛있을 수가 없잖아. 마늘에서 오는 마늘의 향이 입에서 착착착착 터져주는 게 뭔가 불고기 같기도 하면서 떡갈비 있지? 떡갈비 먹는 것 같은 그런 느낌? 그런 느낌도 좀 느껴지는 것 같아. 그리고 면도 정말 코팅이 정말 잘 돼 있다. 소고기에서 오는 그 맛있는 기름이 샥 면 한 올 한 올을 막 쫙 코팅을 잘 해줘가지고 풍미 가득하게 정말 맛있네. 고기를 정말 듬뿍듬뿍 잘 넣어줘가지고 너무 맛있는 것 같아. 만약에 내가 먹는데 실패를 해가지고 면은 다 먹었는데 밑에 이 탑핑만 남았다. 그럼 여기다가 밥까지 비벼가지고 먹으면 또 다른 느낌으로 한 번 더 즐길 수 있을 것 같아. 너무 잘 어울려 그냥. 너무 맛있어 그냥. 맛있다. 불고기는 원래 상추나 이런 거로 쌈 싸서도 많이 먹잖아. 이 옆에 있는 이 가니쉬 이거 추가해서 먹으면 약간의 그 신선함과 상큼함이 맛을 좀 더 끌어줄 수 있을 것 같아. 보기에도 더 예쁘잖아. 그린 그린. Cheers. 예상 그대로입니다. 훨씬 맛있습니다. 맛있어 보이지? 맛있어 보이지? 왜 코스트코에서 간고기 잔뜩 사와가지고 이렇게 해먹으면은 저렴하면서도 간단하게 만들어서 먹을 수 있는 저녁 식사로 너무 괜찮을 것 같아. 강력 추천. It is so good as it is, but if you wanna add a little bit of a tang to it, then I recommend serving it with some kimchi. Trust me, you will love it. Anyways, hope you guys try and enjoy. Bye. bonito. Bye. Yeah. 불고기 noodles. 불고기 noodles.
Today I showed you how to make ground beef bulgogi noodles. How was it? Not only is it budget friendly and simple to whip up, but it's also bursting with the classic bulgogi flavor. Seriously, there's no reason not to try this at home, right? So if you got some ground beef sitting in your fridge, you gotta give it a shot. Once you try, I'm 100% sure you won't be your last. Alright, this is it for today, and I'll see you next time.